Welcome back to my channel. Today we have two mystery boxes. That's right, two. See? From Hank and Henry. And if you're not new, then you know I really like this brand. But if you're new, well, surprise. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into it. I am not doing the overview of me digging into it because I want you to be as surprised as I am. There are the two boxes that I got was the really big one and the really small one. Then there were three in the medium one. I did not get the medium priced one because that one was supposed to have a lot of basics and stuff that I already had. So I went with these two. Now this was a special mystery box that they were doing that had new launch pallets inside of them. So the pallets that are in them are now available, but when these mystery boxes were on the site, they were not available. So I'm super excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into the small one, and that would be this one, just based on the weight. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what is in it. So this is what the inside looks like. See how pretty that is? So let's see what the first thing is. The first thing we have here is liquid matte lipstick in shade Trash Panda. Packaging there, and that is the color. And there is the swatch of that. That is a, I would say it's a dark brown. Go. Gives me 90s vibes. Let's see, the next one we have here is Madame. I think that's what I'm reading. And of course there's the box. Cute as always. And that is the color on this one. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like a kind of a red rust color. It's not rust, it's not really red, it's kind of like an in-between between the two, and I do like that. That's really pretty. Alright, next we have Propaganda. You know, I'm gathering this is probably going to be a purple color just looking at the packaging, but the packaging is cute. And I don't mind a purple color. And it is purple. It's a metallic purple. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Do you see the shine on that? That is so pretty. Okay, so the next thing we got going on here is another liquid lipstick in Cascade, and this one looks like it's going to be a blue color. And it is a blue color. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is lovely. Okay, there it is. Let's see if there's any more lips in this. There is not. There is this wristband here that says the world is better with you in it. I believe that's a suicide prevention thing that they're doing, which I like. So there's that. And a pop socket. And I don't really use pop sockets, so I'm going to put that into a giveaway. And some super cute stickers. And again, I don't really use stickers, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I'll find a use for them because these are pretty. Look at that. We got this one. We got this one. Then we got this guy here. Alright, so the last item in this mystery box is one of the pallets, and I was really hoping to get this one, so I'm super excited that I did get it. This is Sweet Tooth. He's been posting all kinds of pictures on Instagram, and I've been watching them like a hawk. So there's that. And wait till you see the inside. Of course, there is a mirror. There you go, the mirror and the colors. Look at that. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Do you see how beautiful those are? Good mixture of mattes and shimmers, and they're super shimmery and pigmented. I really like this. The formulas feel really creamy to the touch too, so I'm really excited about that. If you guys want me to do a first impressions with this, I will. Just let me know below. So that is it in that box. Let's move into box number 2. Let's see. So this was the big one, and I didn't mention this before. He actually signs these, so I think that's really cool. So let's go ahead and see what is in the big box. All right, so first thing we got here is Madame. I think that is a color I already have. It is, so I'm not gonna open this one because it is this one, and I'm just gonna put this one into my next giveaway. And we are moving to the next one, and this one is, I can't pronounce it. I'll just show you. There you go. So it is that color, however you say it. And this is more of a rust color than the other one. That's interesting. Okay, so my hand is wet, so it's bleeding a little bit, but these are liquid lips, and I've had these liquid lips before, and they wear so beautifully. Okay, so the next liquid lip we have here, this is liquid lip, isn't it? Yeah, is Pookie. And that is that one. I like this one because it's like a slightly dark nude, maybe even darker on my skin. It's more brown on my skin. I'm so white, look at that. But I do like it. I think that's really pretty. It's very 90s with the brown. The next we have is, oh, this is the purple one. I already had this one, so this one's gonna go in the next giveaway too. So I'll put that one aside. And another one I can pronounce. There you go. I do love these packaging. It's so cute. Okay, so this one is a true brown. Oh no, it's like a brown black. It's not really black and it's not really brown. It's like a black with brown undertones is what it looks like more. On me it's gonna look more black, but if you look at it, there's definitely brown in it. You see my hand's all wet, so it's bleeding real bad, but that's just me. That's not the liquid lips, promise. So the last color in here is Ethereal. I think that's how you say it. There you go. Of course, super cute packaging as always. This is different than what I have, but that's a really nice color. This is like, I don't know, it's like a, it's not really rust, it's not really orange, kind of like an orange coral color, honestly. Let's see. And it's metallic and it's pretty and I'm loving it. Look at that. Okay, so out of the lips from the 2 boxes, I have 8 new liquid lips and I'm not mad about it. I'm going to show you all of them in a second. These are my new liquid lips here. Super pretty, super different, and I love that because I like the variety. Okay, let's see what else we got going on in this box. We got another pop socket, and we got some more stickers. I think they're exactly the same, so maybe I will share some stickers with you guys too. Because I don't even know what I'm going to do with stickers. Nothing wrong with them, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So let's go in here, and here is a Hank and Henry Blickety Blue. Now I already have 2 of these, so this is going to go in a giveaway too. This is a really pretty eyeliner, really beautiful color. So Blickety Blue is going in that. And we have 2 new palettes. And again, these are just launched. I believe they launched on Valentine's Day, so they're super new. This is Fuego. Okay. So those are the colors swatched. On camera they look pretty similar, but I can tell you in person the reds are different. This is a really good palette if you like reds. Very, very pretty. Some of the reds are more shimmery, some of them are orange, matte, whatever. They're very beautiful. So there is one more palette in this box, and very much so excited about that. So let's look at it. Last palette in the box is Spring Fling. Okay. So opening that one up, those are the colors with the mirror, of course, and I'm going to swatch those. Okay, so those are the colors swatched in this last palette, and I really like that. Very, very, very pretty, a nice variety. So I got 3 new palettes out of the Valentine's launch that he had, and that is what they are. I've got the Sweet Tooth, I've got Fuego, and Spring Fling. Very happy about these. If you want me to do videos on each of those palettes, I will. As far as the liquid lips, I already know I love the formula for the liquid lips, so I don't really feel like I have anything new to offer there. These are all new, so if you want me to review those, just let me know below. But that is pretty much it. This was a really, I'm pretty happy with these boxes, even though I'm not, even though I don't use pop sockets, I will give those away. I'm happy about these palettes, and I've got a few items for our giveaway. So, I mean, these boxes were really, really great. Very happy with them, and yeah. So if you had a favorite product in this, just go ahead and let me know below. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and I hope to see you in my next video.